OTOAI, in association with German National Tourist Office, hosted a training workshop in New Delhi.
The intention of this workshop was to train the members with the new products of Germany and what all Germany has to offer, that they can add the number of days in Germany and give value to their customer.
We are doing one more training about Germany in Pune, and we are really looking forward to actually making OTOAI members experts in a particular destination.
We actually had one of the engaging and interaction sessions wherein we got to understand what people are really thinking about when it comes to Germany as a travel destination.
FCM Travel Solutions to expand its footprints at a rapid pace in 2019.
We're already up to 23 cities. We're opening a new city every 60 days. We're growing the leisure distribution franchise. We've just opened shop in places like Bhubaneswar, Vizag, Surat. And we've got a whole new product stream waiting to go live. We've just gone into the GIT space for the first time. We did a small pilot last year. We're looking to scale that up this year.
It really allows for an opportunity for people that are excelling at what they do.
This sort of awards would get the region players into the national level. More than getting the award, it's a motivation.
Globus family of brands celebrated its success in Mumbai.
Last several years, we've seen some really strong growth. I mean, it's really just strong double-digit growth year after year, and we see that accelerating.
The kind of product that we are, the metros have been always a success story for us, and that's from where initially the business started coming in when we came into India. But we see a lot of interest in our products in the Tier 2, Tier 3 cities as well.
IndiGo to launch direct daily flights between Delhi and Istanbul from March 20th, 2019.